Take a ride in the 2026 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.